The only expectation from you guys is to subscribe this channel, and also one more important thing, please do like the video. And we have finally completed 500 subscribers, guys. This channel was started some 40 days ago and we have already hit the target. So keep growing and congratulations to all of us. We will continue the journey. So talking about today's updates, one more important thing about the giveaway results. I will announce the giveaway results tomorrow. So stay tuned for it. There was some issue with the order ID of Flipkart gift card. So stay tuned tomorrow 100%. I will update with the results. So let's start with today's updates. The first update is from Harman. Harman is hiring for interns of C, C++, Python, etc. So check it out if your skills align and apply it. Next update is from IBM. I think this is an direct test link opportunity. So apply for this position and you may get the test link. So check if your skills align and you fit in the criteria, then please apply it. Next update is from Conduent. Conduent is hiring for SQL developer position. This is a new position actually, so please apply it and you are good to go. Here experience is mentioned, but you can still apply it and try if you get shortlisted. Next update is from Philips. Philips is hiring for interns. This is a Bangalore based position, so check it out about the Philips. Next update is from Geo. Geo is hiring for graduate engineer trainee. So check it out, and here the skills required are data mining, data management, and all the data related skills. So check it out and apply it. Next update is from HP. HP is hiring for financial analyst position, and this was posted 5 days ago, guys. So apply it. It may close anytime soon. And the position, the work location is Bangalore, Karnataka. So check it out and apply it if you are comfortable. Next update is from GSK. GSK is hiring for technical associate. So check it out, and here btech graduates are required. So check it out and apply it. So that's all for today's updates. Thanks for watching.